Lake Vernwy with vegan dog. And can you spot the world's fastest fly? That must be the black falcon, the peregrine falcon. Yes, the peregrine have eyes that face forwards rather than to the side like many birds. That's what you're named after, falcon. Falcon is my woofer. Did you know nuthatches are the only birds that run head first down a tree? Nuthatches, well, you don't see many of those around. Right, what? Yeah, forget the pictures. Shh. Creep up on them. Oh la la. Oh, look at that. Pheasants. They're wild. Yes, they are. Look, there's oh, they're all over the place. Look at that. You have to come to Lake Vernwy. There's yellow tits. Oh, look at them. Look at them. Oh, look at that. Blue tits, yellow tits, chaffinches. Oh, what's that one? That's a big one. The big boys. They're naughty. That's got more food in it than that. They haven't filled that up too much. Or it's too wet. Oh. That is a blackbird. I can catch him. Where is he? There he is, blackbird. And the pheasants is. Right. Well, I'm coming close up, so you're going to have to put up with me. Oh, yes. Now, you see, they go into the further one because I've frightened them off here. So that. Right, where's the thing? Oh, yes, there we are. Oh, yes. Where are you? Oh, I've got you. Yellow tit. Oh, he's choking on it all. Oh, yes, he's in there. And you're very hungry too. Oh, yes, you're flapping about. Oh, yes. Look at this, is Lake Vernwy. Look at those colours. Oh, a pretty creature. Well, you can't get at it when you're down there, are you? Of course, they're picking up what's on the floor. Well, blackbirds eat off the ground, you see. That's why bird things hanging up are no good for blackbirds. I know about these things. Look at him. But he's, with all the scratching, you're chucking it out for anything like... Well, I'm sure the ratties, Mr. Ratty will be round as well here. Oh, yes. There's a lot of chirping and a lot of birds in the trees, yeah. Oh! Oh, something frightened them all off. That wasn't me.